Number 1, determine the volume of the rectangular prism. Remember, we always use the formula V equals base area times height for every single prism. The base of this shape is a rectangle. So first I need to find the area of that rectangle. This fraction changes into 3 over 2 because 1 times 2 is 2 plus 1 makes 3. So we are going to use 3 over 2 times 1/2 because that's the other dimension of that rectangle. 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 2 is 4. So we're going to substitute, which means replace, BA with 3 over 4. So in this problem, BA gets swapped out with 3 over 4, and then we need to replace the H with the height of the shape. And the height in this case is 7/8. Okay, so the volume is 3 times 7, which is 21, over 4 times 8, which is 32. Then I still need my units. Because this is measured in meters, and there are 3 dimensions, we use meters cubed, or meters to the 3rd power. Number 2 says the area of the base of a rectangle is 4 3/4 feet squared, and the height, not the base, the area of the base of a rectangular prism is 4 3/4, and the height is 2 1/3. Determine the volume of the rectangular prism. Remember, volume is the base area times the height. So we just need to multiply the base area and the height together. But there's a problem. These are both written as mixed numbers, and we need to first change them to improper fractions. That's where the numerator, the part on the top, is greater than the part on the bottom. So this is the same as 4 times 4, which makes 16, plus 3 more, which makes 19, over 4, which was the original denominator. This one, 2 times 3 makes 6, plus 1 is 7, over the original denominator, which was 3. Now we get to substitute. The base area is 19 over 4. So we're going to replace the BA with 19 over 4. And we're going to replace the height with the height here. So we need 19 times 7 and 4 times 3. I know 4 times 3 is 12, but I'm not too sure about 19 times 7 yet. 7 times 9 is 63. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6 more is 13. This is 133 over 12. And you do not have to change it back to a mixed number. Remember, every step you take is another spot where you might make a mistake. So stop here. Just remember to put your units.